Jai Mata Di students. Welcome to my YouTube channel R for Rohit Arora Sir Classes. Today's topic is polynomial multiplication. Okay, and after that, polynomial division. Then after that, we find the roots. Okay, then after that, from roots, we can find the polynomial function. Okay, now, first of all, I am taking two polynomial function. Okay, a is equal to s plus 3 and b is equal to s square plus 3s plus 2. Okay, now how to write these two in a MATLAB? A is equal to bracket, the coefficient of s is 1, then after that 3, close this bracket and semicolon. B is equal to bracket, the coefficient of s square is 1, then after that 3, then after that 2. Space is must. Okay, then what I want? Polynomial multiplication. The command of multiplication is z is equal to conv convol bracket a, देखो, see this, convol u comma v. It means that a comma b. Okay, or you can write it in a starting, that is CLC. CLC is used for clearing the command window. Clear all is used for clear the workspace. Okay, then after that, select this part and evaluate the. Now answer is 1 6 11 6. Okay, now it means that our z is s cube plus 6s square plus 11s plus 6. Okay, and in my linear convolution video, the detail of this multiplication is there, and in this I had not used the convol command, I'd use the formula. Okay, now after that, if I have a three polynomial functions, now how to multiply these three? Let s plus 2 I am taking. Okay, it means c is equal to 1 space 2 bracket close semicolon. Okay, now after that I am taking the output, w is equal to convol bracket z comma c. Correct? Now select this part and evaluate, or you can run this function by the in the top, the word is run. Okay, now the answer is 1 8 23 28 12. Okay, this means that percentage w is equal to, okay, s4 plus 8s cube plus 23s square plus 28s plus 12. Okay, this means that. Correct about the three polynomials multiplication. After that, how to divide the polynomial functions. Now what I am doing, delete this part and division. Okay, use CLC, clear all, CLC. Now in this, let A is equal to S cube plus 6S square plus 16S plus 16. Okay, and B is equal to S square plus 4S plus 8. Okay, it means this A is our dividend and B is our divisor. Okay, now what is in the output? Quotient and remainder. How? Now first of all I use the CLC, then after that clear all. Now start with the first polynomial function. A is equal to bracket, coefficient of this S cube is 1, then after that 6 space 16 space 16 and close this bracket with a semicolon. B is equal to bracket. Now in this S square 1 space 4 space 8, close this bracket. Now how to divide this part? In the output we have a quotient and remainder. So I am taking x comma r equal to, now deconvolve of a comma b. Okay, and you can also search in the command window regarding the deconvolve command. Okay, by the help of type deconvolve. Okay, every detail is in the command window. Now take the result of this part. Now the result is x is equal to 1 2, r is 0 0 0. Okay, the quotient is 1 2 and remainder is 0 0 0. It means s square plus, sorry, s plus 2. Okay, now I am taking the another function. Next function is a is equal to s square minus 1. Okay, and b is equal to s plus 1. It means a equal to bracket s square. The coefficient is 1. Then after that s is not present in this. The coefficient of s is, it means 0. Then after that minus 1 and close this bracket with a semicolon. B is equal to bracket start 1 space 1 bracket close. Now with the 2x comma r quotient and remainder equal to deconvolve a comma b. Okay, select this part and evaluate this. Now the answer is 1 minus 1. It means that now x is equal to s minus 1. Okay, this is our quotient in the polynomial division. Now after that, how to find the roots? Okay, And in the last video, I also explained about the how to find the roots. Okay, let I'm taking a is equal to s square plus 3s plus 2. Now a is equal to bracket start 1 space 3 space 2 bracket close with a semicolon. How to find the roots? Roots of a. Select this part. Now this is our roots. Now after that, what I want, reverse process. Okay, it means I have a roots. Now what I am doing, percentage percentage. Okay, now I have a roots. I know about the roots, that is -1 and -2. Okay, this is our roots. -1 semicolon space -2. Okay, again bracket start -1 semicolon -2 bracket close. Now how to find the polynomial equation? Okay, a is equal to poly of r. Okay, the detail is in this poly r poly a. Okay, because in the r I have -1 and -2, these two rows. Now what is the equation of this? Now the answer is 1 3 2. Okay, it means our equation is s square plus 3s plus 2. Okay, same answer of this. Correct? For finding the roots, use the roots. Then if you have a roots, then find the polynomial function, use poly. Okay, clear? Now next is, if I have a complex roots, now what to do? Now for clearing the command window, use CLC command. Okay, type it percentage. Now the roots are in the form of complex. Complex means real and imaginary. Minus 0.5. Okay, plus this is real, and after that imaginary value I am taking by the help of iota function, or we can say that J operator. Use the semicolon. Then after that minus 0.5 next root plus 0.8, or I can take, because in this the complex, that is minus 0.866 iota, and close this bracket. Okay, this is our root. Now delete this percentage because I have a roots. Now we want polynomial function of r. Now what is the answer? This is the answer, 1 1 1. It means our function is s square plus s plus 1. Okay, this is our function, and these two are the roots of this function. Clear? Very simple, very easy concept. Now next is, if you have a matrix, then how to find the polynomial equation? Okay, it means A is equal to, matrix can be written 2 by 2 matrix, that is 0 space 1, use the semicolon, 2 space 3. Okay, this is our matrix. Delete the semicolon. Okay, so that this matrix will show in the command window. And how to find the polynomial of this matrix. Okay, this is our matrix 0, 1, 2, 3. Polynomial of this matrix is 1 minus 3 minus 2. It means percentage s square minus 3s minus 2. Okay, this is the polynomial function of 2 by 2 matrix, or you can find out by the 3 by 3 matrix. Very simple concept of 3 by 3 also is there. You can write it 2, okay, write it 1 semicolon 1 space 0 space 1, close this bracket. Okay, now find out the polynomial of this function. Okay, this is our matrix 3 by 3, and this is our polynomial. It means that s cube minus 4s square minus s plus 7. Okay, this is about the 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and Jai Mata Di. Please subscribe my channel if you are new in my new on my channel. Jai Mata Di.